fucking mic ready. Oh. So here it is. Vocals. I was going to say Vox. Yeah. It'll probably clip. So that's the vocal. That's one send with Nectar and some chorus. And the mid's cut and some echo. I might actually save this because that's like a huge spread. Control R. Echo. Maybe I'll just call it echo spread. Just gonna drag that in here somewhere. Give it a green. Yeah. So that's pretty wide. That sounds mono. It just sounds chorusy. That's mono. That's a mono bitch. What did I do there? I think I just pushed the formant. Yeah. So that's that. Pretty wide. Cut all the lows. Four EQs. I do these all separately. But every time I like touch it, I can hear something else, and then I touch it up a little bit more, and then I'll adjust another one. Yeah, it's painful, and those small adjustments probably matter like 0% amongst the track. But hearing them soloed, it's like, holy fuck. Just get rid of it all. Get rid of it. So that's one send. So you can see where I added that delay. Oh shit, what did I do? Yeah, so you get the idea. So that's the original. It's layered, luckily. This is the whole group. I had to delete all the other tracks just to play this shit. That's the easy wash. It's fucking rinsed. It's rinsed by now. That whole thing is just wash. Nice little pop there. Sweet. So that's basically the vocals so far. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Give you an idea of, like, I don't know, dimension. Got some secret tools here in the works. Be cool if you could just transfer this to a VST. And there's like 5 VSTs in there, so yeah. Anyway. Oh no, I've been taken for a ride. Oh no. I'm flipping it, I'm going to the other side. I wanna live my life. This was literally just I took all the FX off this. I wanted it sounded like shit. Jokes. Jokes. Yeah, that's washed out too completely. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. I am a professional. Listen, no, buy my music. No, jokes. Jokes, jokes. Yeah, anyway, man. Post up some videos. You need a mic. Mic it up. Anyways. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know what else. We got some other things looming all the time. Alright. Insert catchphrase. Peace. Didn't put my logo in. I might put it in. I probably won't, actually. Like that one. Alright, I'm going.